If you're seeking the ultimate driving experience, look no further. MasterCraft worked with our partners at Ilmor Marine to create the world's most powerful towboat engine. The Ilmor 6.2L Supercharged engine boasts 630 horsepower and 665 pound-feet of torque, which is the most available in the industry. Ilmor is recognized as one of the top engine manufacturers for NASCAR, IndyCar, and Formula One racing. Because of that reputation, you can expect the same power and performance in the Ilmor 6.2L Supercharged engine. This motor is available on the X24, X26, and XStar S.